Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The three-day visit of the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, to Ligura ended in Varazze on Saturday, 5th of November. The successor of Don Bosco visited the works of Alacio, Guinea, Sampir Darena and Varazze from 3rd to 5th of November. On Thursday, the 3rd of November, the entire educational community of Don Bosco de Alacio received a visit from Father Artime to celebrate the 150th anniversary of its foundation, albeit 2 years late due to the pandemic. In the late morning, young people, teachers and educators, the entire educational community welcomed the Rector Major in an atmosphere of celebration. After lunch, a quick visit to the beautiful beach of Alacio and the Eucharistic celebration, the Rector Major met and talked with the school children and the whole citizen, together with the city authorities and the Bishop, Monsieur Guglielmo Borghetti. In his address, the Rector Major recalled the importance of the presence since 1871 of the Salesian community in Alacio. "I am convinced of one thing," said the successor of Don Bosco. "I very much believe that miracles happen with our institutions. Education and the environment of a home can change the life of a child forever, and this touches the heart. The Lord can touch the hearts of young people." Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, has launched its annual food distribution appeal, enabling donors to multiply their gift many times over by turning a $1 donation into $20 of critical nutrition. Thanks to ongoing partnerships with international humanitarian and organizations that donate the food and the established trusted presence of Salesian missionaries in more than 130 countries, life-saving meals are ready for those who need them most. Donor funding helps Salesian missions transport the meals from shipping docks to Salesian program locations around the globe. More than 821 million people, 1 in 9, go to bed on an empty stomach each night, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO. In addition, 55 countries currently struggle to meet the basic food requirements of their citizens. Without immediate intervention, youth and their families will face malnutrition, health complications, and even death. The Pastoral Educational Council of the Salesian Work of Itajai, SC, promoted and organized a cultural festival of the Salesian presences of the state of Santa Catarina called Obligatory Parade. The event was held on October 29 at the headquarters of the Salesian Boarding School of Itajai, with the participation of more than 200 adolescents accompanied by Salesians, teachers and educators. The cultural festival was held to bring together Salesian youth, making it thus a time of interaction and recreation, as well as a space for formation and spirituality, contributing to the exchange of ideas, group experiences, the achievement of a mature and shared sense of ecclesial belonging, and development of a personal life project. All this in a very Salesian atmosphere, fostering familiarity, dialogue and closeness. Equatorial Guinea is a country experiencing a deep economic crisis caused by the worldwide decline in oil prices. The poverty in which most of the population was already living has worsened even more with the loss of jobs due to the closure of oil facilities. In one of the poorest neighborhoods of Malabo, the capital of Equatorial Guinea, the Sons of Don Bosco are active, leading a parish, animating an oratory and a youth center, but above all, 2 schools, primary and secondary, and a vocational center. In this vocational center, the Don Bosco in the World Foundation, the body of the Salesian congregation whose purpose is the promotion, support and development of Salesian works and missions in the world, carries out an important project. It is a program aimed at very young mothers, particularly all those who have dropped out of school because of early pregnancies. They were repudiated by their family of origin, or with children not recognized by their paternal family. So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.